In this video, I'm going to show you how to change availability on Square appointments. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left here on your dashboard, click on appointments and click on calendar. In here from your calendar, you want to go to the top right and click on this button, which is the clock button, and this is where you can edit your availability. So of course you have the one-time change or a recurring schedule. I'm going to go with one-time change over here, and I'm going to leave it as these dates over here. And now what you can do here is basically check if you want to do Sundays and Saturdays as well. I'm going to skip these and only use work days for now, okay? So Monday through Friday. Then of course here you can basically change your availability. So I'm going to change mine to, for example, be available from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. like this. And then of course I'm going to add another one, and I'm going to have like a break over here. And I'm actually going to do another one from 2:30 till like 5 p.m. Okay, so we can of course customize these however you want. So I'm gonna have to put p.m. over here. There we go. And of course you can do this for every single day. So for example, Tuesday I'm gonna be from 8 till, I don't know, maybe like 6 or something like that. I'm gonna work a bit more, etc. Okay, so we can do this, and you can add in like as many of these as you want to actually create your own schedule however you want it to be. So we could put this, for example, from 6 p.m. to, I don't know, maybe like 7 p.m. and then this one from 7 to 8, whatever. Okay, so you get the point. That's how you do this. And then whenever you're done, just do not forget to save it to the bottom right. So click on the done button, and there we go. That's going to change it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.